Hi guys, I'm Rachel Gurjar and today we're in the kitchen making some delicious, easy ramen. So my favorite is the Nissin RAOH soy flavored one. It is super quick and easy, full of umami flavor. We're also going to be using a bunch of different toppings to top the ramen with. So let me show you. We have some white onion, green onion, 2 kinds of sesame seeds, bean sprouts, bamboo shoot, blanched spinach, nori, pork, and a jammy egg. So a little trick that I like to do while making boiled eggs, especially, is running them under hot water. It tempers them, and then when you add them in boiling water, they won't crack immediately. Now that my water is boiling, I'm gonna gently lower these eggs in there and let them boil for 7 minutes. And I'm just gonna get my garnishes ready while my eggs are boiling. So we're gonna cut the white parts of these onions, leave them here, and cut the green ones separate. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my bamboo shoots. If you've never had it before, it has a very unique earthy flavor. It's a little bit chewy in texture, and I feel like it adds a nice crunch to the toppings. Our eggs are ready, and we're gonna put them in ice water for a little bit. You crack it, dip it in water. And what that does is the water kind of acts as a barrier between the shell and the egg, which in turn helps you peel it better. See? Almost perfect. All right, now that our eggs are ready, our toppings are cut, we're gonna make the ramen. So I absolutely love ramen, and I usually kind of go out to eat it, but it's winter and sometimes I just want to stay in, and that's when Nissin RAOH comes to my rescue, especially the soy flavor. That is my favorite. Once the water is boiling, we want to go ahead and add our noodles in there. So we're going to let that boil for about 4 minutes, and while that's happening, I'm going to add our soup to a bowl. All right, so noodles are ready. I'm going to pour some of this hot water into a bowl where our soup base is. I'm going to start with bamboo shoot, bean sprouts, white onions, blanched spinach, nori, and some sliced pork. Let's add our jammy egg, green onions, sesame seeds, and we are good to go. I am so ready to enjoy this bowl of Nissin RAOH soy flavored ramen. Let's dig in. I'm gonna get a little bit of the broth, some spinach. Oh wow, the noodles are nice and chewy. The broth has so much umami. This is so warm and inviting. Such a great way to make authentic Japanese restaurant quality ramen right in the comfort of your own homes. To find the recipe, go to the feedfeed.com and visit nissinfoods.com to find out where you can purchase Nissin RAOH ramen.